Hello, friend. I have a special guest here, General Bikram Singh, who is the former chief of the Indian Army and chairman chief of staff. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, I was really impressed by your speech today. It's beautiful to see you inspiring everyone today at the plenary. Sir, what is it that has motivated you to come here and at the TICON?
I think it's time, after having stayed in the army for 42 years, having commanded one of the most outstanding outfits of India, of the world, to give back to society. And I think I take this opportunity to share my experience of 42 years. Given an opportunity, I was invited and I grabbed the opportunity. I think it's a great learning. And I'm of the full belief that you are never full, you are never complete. Each day is learning. And even as a superannuated journal, I feel there's a lot to learn, and today I've learned a lot. So basically I came in here to contribute to this forum and give back to society.
Lovely, lovely, sir. Another question for you. Do you feel that the present ecosystem is accessible and friendly to a new startup?
It is indeed. But let me start firstly by saying that I think all the measures that have been put in place by the present government, they are absolutely phenomenal, outstanding, conducive to the aspirations of the youngsters to come up and excel, realize their dreams. And ecosystem is very much there. I think as far as the regulatory framework is concerned, it has been looked into, it has been revamped. Opportunities are coming up. The system has been further expedited to make sure that people can start off with their businesses, their enterprises in India. So from that point of view, I think the ecosystem is friendly, it is conducive, and it's compatible.
Lovely. Lovely. Thank you, sir. With your experience in the Indian Army, sir, what is your future plan, sir?
Continue to give back to society, which made me the chief.
Yes.
Give back to my people.
Lovely.
So in whatever form I can do, I'll continue to do that.
This is something I was hearing from you today. You talked a lot about walk your talk. You talk a lot about values. You talk a lot about human capitals. It's very interesting how you are a people person, really.
You see, leadership is all about people.
Yes.
You are not a leader if you don't have people with you. You lead people. So unless you understand the human dimensions, you understand the human psyche, you understand the needs of the people you are leading, you can't lead them well. And ultimately, leadership is all about making people do what they believe they can't do, making them do that. And that's what is leadership all about.
Yes, lovely, sir. And a message that you would like to pass to our viewer and our youngsters?
The only message I would give is that identify your goals very pragmatically, remain focused, remain committed, adopt a valued approach to realize your goals, your objectives that you identify yourself, and don't give up. That perseverance, that willpower is very, very important. Never say die. You will be successful.
Thank you, sir. Salute.